Hi, Claudia here. Today we're gonna finish the Snow White journal in a wallet. So we did the journal in the previous video, and when I was ready to finish the journal, I noticed that I made a boo-boo. So I left this one as my central page, but my central page was this beautiful castle. So I have to cut my thread and do it again. But it's done. Here is the wallet. What I did was add the lace in the back and the cover, and I made the tags. I made 3 tags, one for each pocket. And we're gonna put it back. We're gonna put it all together. And I'm gonna close it. But I wanna show you what I did in this pocket. There is more journaling space here and here. This one is just double-sided. And I want to show you a pocket that I made. Oh my goodness. Well, let me do a flip through before I close. And here I'm gonna make a calendar inside. So here we have a belly band, so you can put whatever you want. Look at this pocket. So I have some card, you know, the one where you put your business card, but don't ask me where they are. So I use my imagination. This one is the long one that I said at the beginning that the pocket was going in. This is the envelope for the kit with the tag, and I have another one here. So what I did is I have this, I think it's called acetate, I'm not sure. What I did was I cut a piece, I add paper on the borders, and I glue it. And I glue it in the bottom. And this is my clear pocket. So, oops. Okay, so we are ready to put it away inside the wallet. And we are gonna close it. And I don't know how this is called in Spanish. They call tul. It's the material that usually is used to make wedding dresses, but I don't know what's the name in English, so I call lace, but I know it's not a lace. And let's see if I can make a beautiful bow. Almost, Claudia, almost. Let's see. Is this way or this way? Huh, I knew. And by putting my lace down here, I almost didn't cover the beautiful couple. So this is the wallet, and inside is the journal. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it and enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe, to share, and leave a comment. This is the second part of the KPA Snow White Kit journal. And don't forget to look at the description box. You will find all the crafters over there. They are working with the same kit, and you will have a lot of ideas. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon, because I have another project for Snow White. Thank you. Bye bye.